Hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
So in this video we are going to discuss about the topic of smart memory mapping techniques for cloud computing systems. So in modern digital world, the cloud computings are playing an essential role in our daily life, especially like Amazon Web Service, AWS cloud systems, and Azure AWS systems, and Google cloud systems are used to store the number of data for a single time, and moreover it will be stored multiple number of data at the same time. So the thing is, memory management unit is the one which is used to access all those memory elements based on the virtual memory to the physical memory. So let me see how these memory management techniques has been assigned with the help of design thinking 5 stages. Generally, the design thinking is having empathize, define, ideate, prototyping, and testing. Let me see how these memory management technique will be acted as a storage for all those 5 stages.
So generally first when we come into the first stage of DTI, that is empathize, we come to know about the user issues. We generalize all the user issues together, then we proceed to the further DT stages. When we talk about empathize specifically, the user firstly faces the problem of latency. Low latency.
So latency is nothing but delay. So we need to check the data whether it is reached the proper time interval or not.
Yes, sir. So generally latency is very high in case of before cloud computing stages. So cloud computing is introduced so that we reduce the latency. Then the next issue is when multiple users search on the same thing, due to storage issues and many other reasons, the proper data is not being provided to the user. So all these issues are addressed in the empathize stage, and we tend to correct this in the further DTI stages.
Yes, cloud computing access has been assigned for those main problems, especially if you are not following all those principles, then it will not be worked for the users. Yes.
Okay, stage 2 is define. Define is nothing but identifying the core problem statement. By empathizing this situation, we came to a point to know that the problem statement is cloud system suffering performance degradation due to lack of information from visual to physical storage.
Because we need to store the data only from virtual to physical only, so we are using translation lookup buffer for making the data storage.
Yes, sir. The main processor are TLCs lack walk-in data flows, and visual machines and containers are competing for physical memory. Like they want to store its prioritizing by their users' personalization, and various cloud systems provide
So each systems provide the same application to the end users based on their own prescriptions.
Yes, here comes from the ideate part. Ideate part is to provide the solutions for the users, creative solutions for the users, and we started our creative solutions from the brainstorming. And we have,
because each users does not know about how to access the cloud computing access. So in order to rectify those problems, the user has to be identified based on their skills, and moreover we need to communicate their ideas to the users.
yes, sir. And here we have given some creative ideas for memory mapping. First comes the aware of mind mapping, where the memory is
Stored. Yes.
from, maybe whether it is stored as a AI or database or streaming everything else. Then next is TLC. Here
TLB translation lookup buffer. Yes.
TLB translation, which used to minimize
It used to store the data from virtual memory to physical memory.
And it is used to combine
the storage to the
two pages in a single page by using machine learning.
Yes.
Next,
so that we can able to configure the AI for making their operations.
yes, and then the volatile memory and drag memory is merged
to making the storage in a
making
essential manner.
enough storage and faster access.
Yes.
These are some ideas from us.
Yes.
The next stage is to make a prototype.
Prototype.
In prototype, we can make a small model of the smart memory mapping systems and it includes AI-based TLB tracking systems, page.
So here the TLB function is performing two way of operation. One is hit or miss. If the data is present in the page table, then automatically it can be fetched from the users so that it will be forwarded to the end users. And moreover, if it is not found in the page table, then it automatically going to check the table thoroughly, and then it will be able to communicate to the users. Yes.
It also includes page replacement and page resizing options. We can compare this with traditional memory mapping systems to track our improvements.
Yes. So that the particular storage will be identified very easily. Yes.
The final stage is testing, and testing environment is cloud engineers from the lab and VM workloads such as database queries and AI training workloads and video streaming pipelines. And result is 30 to 45% reduced in TLB misses and 30 to 40, 20 to 25%.
So based on the ratio of the profit product of the concerned users, we will identify the performance.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
20 to 25% fast memory access from during peak allocations and lower page fault rate for a data application or for feedback. Improve ML predictions and add more workload categories and also integrated cost aware memory allocations.
Yes, sir. So we have concluded that we have discussed about how the cloud computing access with the help of memory management technique, as well as the memory has been stored in the unit. So even though there are a lot of availability of the cloud computing access is there, but the problem is we need to have a more number of data access by using the cloud computing access. So in future, I hope it will be continued and it will be improved a lot so that we can able to access multiple number of data at the same time. Thank you.
Thank you.